Welcome back to Mr. Mac's Garage. As you can see, I got a package and we are going to build a chair today. Okay, so I unpacked everything, and the first thing to do is to take a look at and start following the instructions. So here's what the instructions look like. Just a little book. I'm going to take a look at this and see what the steps are. Here's what we're building today. So the first thing I do is I lay out all the parts and I make sure that I have everything that is included in the kit so that I can complete my assembly of this chair. So here you see we have part A and part B and a tool for part C. That checks. And then we have the casters or the wheels that it rolls on. This is called the telescope cover. Goes like that. And this is what makes the chair go up and down. It's called the lift. That checks. This is the seat plate. This is the handle you make it go up and down when it's put together. And we have the seat bottom, which is very important to see on here, that little red tag that says front. So you want to make sure that the seat bottom, the front goes towards the front and not the back, or else it won't work right. We have the base. Looks like Patrick, doesn't it? And we have the back. Heavy. Looks like this. This little part goes together like that. We're ready for step one. So it tells me to put the bottom together by putting the wheels on the bottom, the casters, and then putting the seat telescope together so that it goes up and down. I start with the base upside down and take the wheel with that shiny end and put it right in the hole. Just clicks right like that. Real easy. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now that I have them on, I can turn it over. They don't fall out, that's good. And then it says to put the telescope on top of here. You see a little white thing coming out of the top. And just put this in the hole. That's all I gotta do. Nice and tight. The next step, step 2, is to put the seat plate on the bottom of the seat, making sure that you have the front face in the front for both pieces. Both the seat plate and the seat have to be facing in the same direction. This is the seat plate, and you can see that there's the word front. So that arrow has to be facing towards the front of the seat. This is put together by a special screw that is an alum screw. It comes with a tool that looks like this, and you can see there's a special shape on the end that fits right inside there, and you turn it on just like that. Now that I have all my screws set in place, I can tighten them up just by turning. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Turning it to the right or clockwise. Okay, now that they're on, you got to make sure that you did it the right way. Remember what I told you. Here's the word. There's the front, and that's facing the same direction. I did it right. The next step is to put the back onto the bottom of the chair. The back is held on by 4 screws that are a little bit longer, but they're the same thing, so I'm going to be using my Allen wrench to tighten it up. And I make sure that I put 1, 2, 3, all 4 in before I start tightening it up so that it lines up very well. Well, the last step seems pretty easy. All I have to do is put the top on the bottom, and then it's done. And there you have it, your chair.